Starting. Good morning, students. Yesterday, actually, we have started the class, but it was not recorded. So again, I have to start the same thing. And there are many things which were left yesterday. So again, I'm going to start. Please switch on your video for some time. Then you can switch off it. At least anyone you can switch off. Anushka. Okay, right. So today I'm going to start once again. So see, we have finished, we have completed our first year syllabus and successfully, and all of you are prepared for the examination also. But suddenly what happened that due to this COVID reasons, the second wave of COVID, the examination is cancelled. So seeing this part, considering the students, because your time should not be wasted, Sri Ramanuja Vidya Mandir, our management has decided to start the second year classes. And so as you are NEET aspirants, and this time is very precious for you. So your time should not be wasted. So our management has decided to take the class. And this time, only this way is possible. Only and the online we can start. That is the virtual mode only. And I think this is not new for you all. Already we have last year also we have started it. And last year, of course, we were attached on through the panel we tried, and you have recorded videos, and only once in a week we were having live classes. But this time, every day live class will be there, and we can attach with Zoom cloud meetings. And this is interactive type. You can see the difference. Last year we cannot able to interact with each other. So this year it is possible with the help of Zoom. So anyone, if any time you want to ask anything, switch on your video and audio also, and so that I can understand you want to ask me something, and then we can just question and answer round, or also we can carry. So if we see the second year syllabus, see, we are following two books. One is NCERT, one is state. Because state board, you have to write the state board IP examination. IP, intermediate public examination also you have to write. So we have to follow the State Academy Botany book. And NCERT is for the NEET. So that also we have to go through. But here some differences. Of course, the syllabus is same. Matter inside it also same. In fact, the state board is having much more contents than NCERT, we see. So, but little bit difference is there. In first year, we have gone through, whereas in NCERT, first year physiology is there. And here, second year, physiology is there in state books. And sexual reproduction and mode of reproduction, the embryology part, we have completed that in first year. Anushka, you switch on your video. So we have completed that part. So now we will see what is there in the syllabus in the second year according to the state board, academy board. So let's see first. The first unit is, we will also discuss the NEET weightage and IP weightage also according to very short and long answers. So today, the syllabus was, first of all, unit 1, you will find. Is it clear? Unit 1, plant
Yes,
physiology.
ma'am. Yes. It's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't have books, still you have not taken books, you can write it. Note it down, please, because I may not repeat it again and again. So, plant physiology, there are 5 chapters. First chapter is transport in plants. Transport in plants. Second is mineral nutrition. If you have books with you, if you have that Botany Academy book, you can open that book. Second lesson is mineral nutrition. Third, enzymes. Fourth, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis in higher plants. Higher plants. Note it down if you don't have the book. Fifth, respiration. Respiration in plants. Sixth, plant growth and development. Plant growth and development. These are the chapters included. These are the chapters included in the first unit. And you see, first of all, what is physiology? In first year, we have seen that morphology of flowering plants. That is the external structure of plants. And
Ma'am, Chinmay is waiting in the lobby.
Ask Monica madam to add her. So in morphology, we have seen the external structure of plants, plant body, and anatomy, internal organization of plants. Physiology is actually the functions which takes place in the plant body. The functions, the metabolism which is taking place. So sum total of all the chemical reaction is called metabolism. And we know that there are, one is constructive process and one is destructive, anabolism and catabolism. And the first chapter is about transport in plants. That means plants absorb water, mineral and salts. How it is transported. And root absorb water, mineral and salts, and it is transported to the other parts of the plant in unidirectional method. Whereas photosynthesis takes place, that means synthesis of food takes place in leaves, and then it is transported with the help of phloem. Phloem transport food and xylem transport water and minerals, all these. So phloem when transport, it is multi-directional, and through the it goes in all the directions. So that is called transport. And ascent of sap, upward movement of water, and all the direction the food is transported to the all part of the plant body. So that is what transport in plants. Mineral nutrition. In mineral nutrition, we will see which mineral is more important and which is less important. So that is called macro and micro nutrition, micro minerals and macro. So this chapter is about minerals and enzymes. Enzymes, already this is completed in first year. In biomolecules chapter, 2 or 3 pages, I have explained about enzymes. Once again, here also we will go through this because it is having neat weightage. And next comes photosynthesis in higher plants. That means preparation of food. We know that in presence of sunlight, green plants prepare food. So how this process is taking place in plant body and what are the cycles? All these things we go through in this lesson, in this chapter. Next comes respiration. Respiration, we know that plant absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. At this time, it is very, very important. So if the plant in our house, if we have plants, then more oxygen it will provide to us. A big tree will provide 10 oxygen to 10 people. So everyone should have one plant, some plants. So this is very, very important chapter. And plant growth and development. This is about hormones. There are some hormones which help in developing and in growth of the plants. So how this growth takes place and which hormones cause growth in which part of the plant, that we discuss in this last chapter, plant growth hormone, plant growth and development. Let's see the NEET weightage and the IP weightage of these chapters. So if you see transport in plants, from this chapter, 2 questions will come in NEET. This is the NEET weightage. All of you note it down. Writing it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is NEET weightage. So transport in plants, 2 questions will come. And from mineral nutrition also, 2 questions generally comes. Enzymes, it is included in NCERT, it is included in first year. So, but actually, it is also having two questions waiting. For photosynthesis, also 2 questions will come. And respiration in plants, from this chapter, only 1 question will come in it. And the plant growth and development, from this chapter also 2 questions will come in it. So now you count the weightage. If we leave this enzyme part, because it is from first year, how many questions are there?
9, ma'am.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from physiology, 9 marks. Physiology is having 9 marks weightage. So 45 question, in 45 question, 9 marks, 9 questions. So 9, not 9 marks, sorry, 9 questions. 9 5 are 45, 9 4 are 36. 9 questions will come from physiology. This is the weightage. So this unit is actually having much more weightage in NEET. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And if we see the IP weightage, if we talk about the IP weightage, transport in plants from this lesson, 1, 2 marks, I will write here, 2 marks, 4 marks, and 8 marks. Jayashree, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Jayashree,
Ma'am.
switch on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
This is IP. Yeah. Is it audible
Yes, ma'am.
and clear? The board is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So see the weightage, IP weightage you see. Transport in plants from this part, 1 2 mark question will come and 1 4 mark question will come. No 8 marks will be there. No 8 mark question is there. Next, for this year, this topic, mineral nutrition, is deleted. Last year, we have seen some part is deleted. Mode of reproduction is deleted. So this year, mineral nutrition from this part, it is not there. But of course, in the NEET, it is for the NEET, it is very, very important topic. And 2 questions will come. So we'll go through this chapter also. And if you see enzymes, actually it is in NEET, first year it is there. But here, for IP, 1 2 mark question and 1 4 mark question will come. And from photosynthesis, 1 2 marks and 1 4 mark. No 8 marks from photosynthesis and enzymes and nutrition. From respiration in plants, 1 8-mark question. So there are cycles, TCA cycle, electron transport system, glycolysis. These cycles are there that you have to by hand. We will go through it. And from plant growth and development, from this topic, 1 4-mark question is there. So let's see the weightage. How much weightage it is having? This chapter is having? Can you tell me? Anyone?
Ma'am, 30.
16 plus 8 and a 6.
Ma'am, 30, ma'am.
How much weightage?
30.
30. 30 marks comes generally. Or if it is 2 marks is deleted, then also 28 marks will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it over? All
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
noted?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next topic is the second unit is microbiology. Microbiology. It is also introduced in biological classification. There we have studied 2 topics, that is about bacteria and virus. So this lesson, this chapter is already introduced in first year NCERT, and here we have other things also included, which is in IP, like classification of bacteria, mode of nutrition, and the multiplication in bacteria and virus. So this chapter is very, very important for IP also. And for each, what is the weightage? Let's see. In microbiology, you'll find 2 chapters. One is bacteria. And second chapter is virus. Or according to book, it is 7th and 8th chapter. Bacteria meet weightage. From bacteria, generally 1 question, and from virus 1 question. 1 or 2. 1 or 2 question will come from bacteria, because it is there in biological classification, you find it. So from bacteria 1 or 2 question will come, and from virus 1 question will come. It is neat weightage. And IP, if we see 2 marks and 8 marks. 2 marks, 1 2-mark question and 1 4-mark question. No 8-mark questions are there in air from bacteria or virus. So only 1 2-mark question and 1 4 marks. So 6 marks weightage. 6 marks weightage total. Is it over?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
over, Anushka, Jayashree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Third topic is genetics. Third unit. Genetics. Inheritance. Law of inheritance. So inheritance and variations. chromosomal inheritance and variation. This chapter, NEET weightage is 5 to 6 question comes every year. 5 to 6 questions. Yashasvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Yashasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
So 5, this is very important topic, and every time 5 to 6 question comes from this topic. Log
Okay, ma'am.
inheritance and variations. So genetic is all very important topic. And from 2 marks and 4 marks, no 8 mark question, 1 2 mark and 1 4 mark question will come. This is the weightage, IP weightage. Next come fourth is molecular biology. Molecular biology. Molecular biology. Molecular basis of inheritance. This is the chapter name. There are 7, 8. It is 9th chapter and it is 10th chapter. And the weighted NEET weightage, if you see, 4 questions will come every time. Every time from this chapter, 4 questions will come. And the molecular basis of inheritance is very important because we are studying about the structure of DNA, RNA, and transcription of RNA from DNA. These things will go through in this chapter. So, and the 5th chapter is biotechnology. 5th unit, biotechnology. And in this, there are 2 chapters. 11th chapter is biotechnology, principles and process. And process. NEET weightage, if we see, 2 questions will come. And next, biotechnology and its application. Biotechnology and its application. It is also having here 1 to 2 questions will come, here 2 questions will come. See, from biotechnology, principles and process from this chapter, generally 1 to 2 questions asked, and the biotechnology and its application from this topic every time 2 questions will come. 2 questions come. So these 2 chapters are also having importance. And if we see IP 2 marks question, 1 2 mark question here, and 2 marks question. And this lesson, biotechnology and the principles and process, 8 marks question will come. 1 8 mark question will come. 1 8 mark question, and from this 1 4 mark question. And last topic is microbes and human welfare. how microorganisms are useful. Some microbes are friends and some are foods. How they are useful in human life, in households, in industries, in antibiotics, and that means in medicines. So there are in the many ways they are useful to us. So in this unit, we are going to study about that and how the strategies for food enhancement also we'll see. So the next lesson is strategies for strategies of enhancement for food production. And need weightage, two questions will come. Two questions will come in it. And one 8-mark question will come from this. And next question is microbe in human welfare. Microbes in human welfare. This is the last lesson. And NEET also having 3 question weightage in NEET. And 1 2-mark question will come. 1 or sometimes 2 also. 2 2-mark question and 1 4-mark question. No 8 marks. This is the weightage. Now all of you switch on your videos once. At least Yashasvi, Anushka, Jayashree, Chinmay.
Ma'am,
Switch on your,
ma'am,
switch on.
I can't switch on my video, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, because I've applied some mask, so it's looking odd. I've applied some hair mask, ma'am, so it's looking.
Okay. So Yashasvi and Anushka, Jayashree, Bhavya. Bhavya is there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yashasvi, switch on your video. Anushka?
Ma'am, I switched
I
on.
switched on.
Ma'am, I switched on my video.
Okay. Only I can see one at a time. In computer, in laptop, I can
Ma'am,
see all.
Manjita is there as well.
So it is inverted. Your video is right. So see, we discussed about the syllabus and the weightage, which chapter is having more weightage in it, and IP weightage also we have seen. So according to this, we have to follow. So NEET weightage is there. In physiology, 9 questions will come, and genetics and molecular basis of inheritance. These 2 chapters are very, very important. All the chapters in physiology and genetics and molecular biology, these chapters are very, very important. Of course, other chapters are also, because 1 or 2 questions are coming from those chapters. So we have to prepare according to that. So Yashasvi, you switch on.
Ma'am, I switched on.
And so if I see you, I feel like the atmosphere.
Ma'am, I
next-
switched on from past few minutes.
But I am not able to see. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
slide the
I think
screen
you have
once.
understood. You have noted it down, the syllabus and the weightage, IP weightage and NEET weightage.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
today I am going to start microbiology. Why? Because actually the unit 1 is physiology and we have to start from unit 1. But why I have taken this? Till we adopt this Zoom or everything, we are adjusting. So microbiology topic that is already introduced. So it is easy for you to understand. And once we are adopted, we are accustomed to this way. Then we'll go for physiology because it is little bit tough. So first of all, I selected this topic. And microbiology, bacteria and virus, already we have discussed these chapters, but few things we have to add according to the reproduction and classification that is not there in the NCERT book. So here we discuss about that also, which is important for IP. So shall we start that microbiology, bacteria?
Yes, ma'am.
Microbiology, this is a Greek word. Micro means small. It is a Greek word.
What happened?
So time is up. Monica madam is telling that the given time is up. Okay. So today or once again I'll come in afternoon. We'll discuss about microbiology.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.